If your Yahoo Mail is feeling cluttered, slow, or just overloaded with junk, this video will show you exactly how to clean it up step by step. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to delete cache and junk in Yahoo Mail so you can free up space, reduce clutter, and keep your inbox running more smoothly. This is a quick and easy process, and once you know where to click, you can do it anytime you need to tidy things up. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the spam folder. Spam is where unwanted and suspicious messages usually land, and over time, it can build up a lot of junk you do not need. Click on spam to open it. Now, inside the spam folder, look for the option that says delete all, or in some accounts, it may say empty spam. This will remove the junk mail currently sitting in that folder. Before you confirm, take a quick look if you want to make sure there's nothing important hiding in there, because once it's deleted, it's gone. After clearing spam, the next place you want to check is the trash folder. Deleted emails often stay there for a while, and they can still take up space until you empty it. Click trash to open that folder. Once you're in trash, look for the empty trash button. Click it to permanently remove everything inside. This is one of the simplest ways to clean up Yahoo Mail and get rid of old messages you no longer need. And just to be clear, while people often say cache and junk, in Yahoo Mail the most useful cleanup steps are really clearing spam and emptying trash, because that removes the stored mail clutter that builds up over time. If you use Yahoo Mail often, doing this regularly can help keep your account organized and easier to manage. It's also a good habit if you receive a lot of promotional emails, replies, or messages you have already deleted and do not want hanging around. After you've emptied both spam and trash, your mailbox should feel a little cleaner and more organized right away. If you still want to keep things tidy, you can also go through your inbox and delete old emails you no longer need, but the main cleanup is done with those two folders. So to recap, open Yahoo Mail, go to spam, click delete all or empty spam, then go to trash and click empty trash. That's the fastest way to delete junk in Yahoo Mail and clear out the clutter. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.